How to use the white marker in your screenshot photos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can use the white marker in your photos or screenshots. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, let's take a screenshot. And now you can tap on the screenshot on the bottom left and this edit section should open up. What you can do here is you can choose whichever marker that you want. So whichever marker you choose, it does not matter. After you choose that, tap on this color icon, this circle, and after you tap on it, you can now select the color that you want. I'll just select the white one, and now you can start using the marker. So here you can see I can start using the marker like this, and if you tap on the marker itself, you can change the marker's setting. You can change how bold you want it, its opacity and stuff like that. And after that, you can start scribbling again, and you can use it however you want. And that's basically how you can use the white marker on your photos on your mobile device. Tap on done on the top left after you're done and save it to your photos. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.